What is up, guys? Welcome to 1.21, where our main goal is to educate you on how to fix computer problems yourself, and hopefully saving you a bit of cash and definitely a few headaches along the way. So without further ado, let's jump right into it, shall we?
Yeah, I like to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow.
Welcome once again. My name is Quentin Syllaboy, and in today's video, I will be showing you some quick, easy, and more importantly, free ways to improve your computer's performance. So first up is probably the quickest and easiest way to improve your computer's performance. What you want to do is go down to the Windows search bar and just type in Control Panel. And from there, you'll want to go to Hardware and Sound. And once you go to that, go ahead and just click on Power Options. And here you should see the option to set your computer to high performance. And if you don't see that, you may need to go down here to Show Additional Power Plans. Click on the little drop down arrow and you should see the option there. Once you check the box for high performance, that is it. So you can go ahead and close out of the control panel for now. The next thing that you can do to improve your computer's performance is actually just cleaning up your registry and clearing out all of the junk in your computer, slowing it down. What you want to do is go to your favorite web browser and just type in CCleaner into your browser's search bar. As you can see, it's usually the first option here. When downloading, it's always important that you only download from trusted sites. So luckily, the first option here is directly from ccleaner.com itself. Once you click on the website, you will see an option for free download. You can either click on that or just scroll down a bit on the page and download the free version from here. Once CCleaner's setup file is finished downloading, you can go ahead and click on it. You can click on Customize, then just remove these two boxes here, click Install, and you should be ready to go. Once you have CCleaner opened up, you will want to go to the little sweeper icon, and then you'll just want to double check that Save Form History and Saved Passwords are both unchecked. If you are using Chrome, Firefox, or any other web browser, you will have to go to the Applications tab to uncheck the boxes from there. Now you can either hit the Analyze button, or if you just want to save an extra step, you can just go ahead and click on the Run Cleaner option. Once that is complete, you can see the amount of junk that you've actually removed from your computer. This step is probably the most important, so it's a good idea to do it at least once every 2 weeks for light users, or once a week for people who live on their computers like I do. Once you've completed cleaning up your browsers, you can move on to the Registry tab. This one's relatively straightforward, and from here you just want to make sure everything is checked here on the left, and then just go down to Scan for Issues. Click on that, and once the scan is complete, you want to click on Fix Selected Issues. And then once this prompt comes up, just go ahead and click No. Then click Fixed All Selected Issues, and you are finished. And there you have it. Congratulations on completing this how-to video along with me. If you keep up even just basic maintenance such as the steps you've just learned, you will notice your computer being faster for longer. Once again, I'm Quentin Syllaboy here for 1.21. Thank you very much for joining me, and if you have any questions about computer maintenance, either hardware or software, be sure to leave them in the comments below.